I'm taking video at the moment. Hi. Is he waving at me? They are waving at me. No, they weren't. Davis. I took video of you not waving at me, sir.
I want the flash done.
Ain't nobody fucking moving. Oh, they are moving. Inch by inch. Jump in the car. Let's go. Let's get this train moving. That's okay, mine too. And they can see.
See it?
Look, it's moving!
Oh, cool. Very cool.
I have to piss again.
Yay, Texas.
Yay, Texas!
Oh, wow. Is that awesome?
Dude, it's
What?
huge! Yay, he waved at me! Why isn't it free? Did you just take a picture? Okay, because I saw a flash and I was like, what the hell is that? Dude! This is huge! I am! I am! Dude! This thing is the size of the freaking street! Dude! This thing is huge!
Look at that thing.
God fucking damn, no wonder!
Giant publicity scam for the hot
Dude! Is there anything under that?
No, that's the deal. They can raise it and lower it, and hydraulics can take it over.
Dude! This thing is Gymo! You can't even freaking tell what it is! This is supposed to be a rock? That's cool! Did you get the video? Did you get a picture of it smiling at me? Dude, look at this! This guy's from Texas with his Texan hat on.
I think done right. Have a Texan.
Have a Texan.
Who's moving this? Texas. Okay, Texas.
Hi! Tanner Transport. Hi! Bye!
Cool, it's over.
Later. Look at, they have a potty
Perfect. I love it.
Hi! You're from Texas!
Texas!
You got your hat on.
Good.
Hi! Hi!
Thanks for the rock.
Thanks to the rock. Hi! Bye!
Where's my picture?
Really? Not the way, yo.
All right, that's it.